In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Beehiiv newsletter in just 5 minutes. So whether you're just starting out with Beehiiv or looking to refine your newsletter skills, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Beehiiv's website. It's always a good idea to have the web address bookmarked for easy access in the future. Once you've arrived at the site, you'll want to locate the login button on the homepage. Go ahead and click on that. Now, to make things even simpler, you have the option to sign in with Google. Just select that option and it will guide you through the familiar steps of signing into your Google account, connecting directly to Beehiiv. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Posts section. This is where all the magic happens. To do this, look for the Posts tab on the top menu, the one-stop shop for accessing all your available newsletters. Once there, you'll see a list of your newsletters. Choose the one you want to design today. This selection will bring up a wealth of customization opportunities for your newsletter. With your newsletter selected, you'll notice 3 small dots on the right-hand side of the screen. Think of these dots as your gateway to more options. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu, and from that menu, select Edit. By entering the editing mode, you open up an array of tools and features that will help you craft the perfect newsletter. Next, cast your eyes to the top right of your screen, where you'll find the newsletter builder icon. Clicking on this icon initiates the real design process by unveiling a panel filled with tools for customization. This left side panel is where you'll make your newsletter truly yours, adapting it to fit your unique style and the message you want to convey. Here you can adjust everything from colors to fonts, layouts to images, allowing you to engage your audience visually. Once you're satisfied with your design and you've taken the time to tweak and adjust as needed, it's crucial to save your work. Find the Save Changes button, usually located at the bottom or top of the panel. Give it a click to ensure all your hard-earned work and creativity are securely stored. And there you have it, you've just designed your Beehiiv newsletter from start to finish in mere minutes. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you explore Beehiiv's features, the more polished and professional your newsletters will become. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.